Welcome to 30 Cresent. This fantastic low-set brick property is situated in a central location here in Parkhurst, just a stone's throw away from the shopping centre and Parkhurst Primary School. This could be your next family home.
The colour scheme is on point inside this great home, and I really love the functional layout. We've got a two-way bathroom that is very practical, and what the owners have done with the garage, converting it into a fourth bedroom, provides a great deal of space. It's when you make it outside that you really feel like the star is on show. We've got a wonderful alfresco area with a double bay garage that overlooks a very generous, child-friendly backyard.
Isn't 30 Cresent absolutely fantastic? If our team can help you own this home, give us a call today. We would love to help you out.